Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be one of those quick and short videos. I'm going to be trying the 3 ingredient ice cream recipe and this is my first time trying. So let's just get right into the video. So the main ingredient is obviously bananas. I've taken about 2 bananas for this, and we have also taken about half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of malai, about 1-2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and some drinking chocolate. These two are optional, but I'm gonna add it for flavor. So firstly, we're gonna slice the banana into thin little pieces and put it on a plate like so. I have only shown one banana here because I already have one frozen banana in the freezer. So after slicing the banana into pieces, freeze it for about 6 hours in the freezer. After hours, take it out and you will see the color has changed a bit and the pieces have also frozen and become a little hard. Then we'll put the banana in the mixer jar and also add milk and malai to it. And I'm also adding cocoa powder and drinking chocolate as well. I have added about 2 spoons of drinking chocolate and 1 spoon of cocoa powder. You can adjust the ratio according to your preference and taste. The trick here is to blend it slowly and do it in intervals. Do not blend it all together at full speed. So this is the consistency that we want. If there are any lumps of banana, you can just smash it with a fork later, but don't over blend it. Since I was trying it for the first time, I felt that I wanted to add a little more of cocoa powder and also to blend the lumps of banana. I blended it again and the mixture became a little runny and it became like a banana chocolate smoothie. But nonetheless, I still wanted to make ice, so I went ahead and poured it into a small dabba and I have kept it overnight in the freezer, and this is how it turned out. I think I added a little more milk than required and that is why it turned into a smoothie. But nonetheless, it still tasted yummy as a smoothie and also ice cream.